Gentlemen, welcome back. Are you ready for the next match?
As usual, they're always ready for the next match.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is a triple threat match. Entering the ring first, standing at 5 foot 8 inches, weighing 275 pounds, from the streets of Jersey.
Woo woo!
I know, I forgot his name took so long.
Yeah, I know. Well, it's not as bad as some.
Ladies and gentlemen, he is the L-Train! Well, the L-Train getting a warm reception as usual. Even exchanging a high five with our concession girl. And tossing me some new clothes. Not my particular style, but whatever works. And now entering the ring, his opponents for this triple threat match that seems a little bit lopsided.
Hey, it's triple threat. That's all I know to go by. They are the Mystic and Toxic Joker, the Juggalos. I mean, we don't explain the feel blink, but suck go, keep it underground and maintain. I'm doing 66. Very interesting triple threat, I must say. Of course, a handicap match wouldn't make much sense. Referee checking out each of the competitors. Checking out. Whatever. If he's checking them out, then I don't want him near me. That's the sound of the bell. Really? As far as I know. Oh, got shaking hands. Better shaking hands before the match. Very classy, very classy. Wait a minute. Trying to run into the L-Train. Oh, Juggalos. Wait a minute. Both of them are trying to get it. Double clothesline. Woo! That's the power of the L-Train. Woo! Big man going right to work. Whoa, right on his shoulders. Oh, damn! Toxic Joker going down. Mystic Joker now trying to attack him. Tossing Mystic Joker into the corner there. Got him up now on his shoulders. What could this be? The same! Oh, same exact move. Woo! The L-Train is on fire!
Kill the Power Rangers!
Something about Power Rangers? What? I don't get. Never mind. L-Train driving the shoulder into the. L-Train showing some true dominance, considering he is bigger than both of them probably combined. Oh, double teaming going on here. That is kind of smart considering he is the bigger man. And their tag team partner. Yeah, that's true. But again, it's triple threat. The triple threat rules is every man for himself. See, I told you. Now they're going to start going at it. Oh, got his block up. Both Jokers now. Toxic Joker. Got him in a headlock. Well, ducks the clothesline. Oh, he just kneed him right in the chest. Drop kick. From Mystic. Oh, got a brutal slam. Right back up. Give a slam to him. Are they trying to one-up each other or something? Oh, good toss. Wait a minute. Oh, got a hit toss from Mystic. Got now vertical suplex. Now we got
A vertical suplex stick. The L Train.
Finally making his way back to the ring here.
Got holy crow! A standing shooting star press. Very impressive. L Train barely breaking it up. That was impressive. Mystic now runs in the corner. Oh, got caught. Was that? Oh! Atomic drop. That didn't look pretty. Toxic Joker now whipping the L Train. Going for clothesline, ducking it. Just ran him right over. You can't stop a train.
A derailer can stop a train.
A what?
A derailer can stop a train.
Uh-oh, got him up. Oh, power bomb. Ow. L Train
in the ring.
L Train, oh.
Mystic one of his own.
L Train's gonna lay. A spinning. Oh, a spinning power bomb. The L Train just laying waste to both of these competitors. L Train now picking up Mystic Joker. Setting him up now for what looks like a suplex. Oh, he's got him up for a vertical. Look at that. Look at the power by the L Train. All men down and just... What? Mystic now with a standing moonsault onto the L Train. Wait a minute, trying to take the cover. Trying to steal that pinfall. They both really badly want to win this match, despite their tag team partners. And a whip. Drop toe hold. Toxic setting. He's going up to the middle rope. No, he's going to the top. He's almost lost his balance. Oh, totally missed that 450 splash. Very beautiful though.
Get him, L Train!
Wait a minute, let's try and do something here.
I'm trying to lift him up on his shoulders.
Get him, L Train!
Setting up something here again.
Oh, Gutbuster.
Very interesting version of it. L Train taking the bow in the ring.
L Train just taking it to these boys.
Now he's hamming it up just a little bit here.
Got him up down this. Definitely showing his strength. Uh-oh, wait a minute, but Toxic fighting it off.
Come on, L Train, you can get him!
And Irish whip. Oh, got him in jump full hold. Could have seen position for his move, the 803. Oh! Considering we're in the 843, that is the 803. Wait a minute. Mystic now setting him up. Setting L Train up for something. What's he going to? He's going to the top. What's he going for? Oh! Totally missing that move off the top rope.
That would have been a corkscrew body press.
That's what it looked like to me. Kind of, you know. I don't think he wants none of the L Train. Wait a minute. L Train could be setting him up.
Come on, don't get up! Stay down!
Uh-oh.
I want to get up!
L Train is losing sight. Wait a minute. Oh! Okay. Oh, he caught him! Whoa! Taking him up to a body press! Oh, he's outside! We have never seen the L Train like this. Wait a minute. We got him up! Oh, he just powered him right down! That's it!
That's it!
That is it!
You win the match by pinfall! L Train!
Man, the L Train in a very impressive match.
Impressive. That was beyond impressive.
That's beyond impressive, yes. Here's your hat, good sir.
Oh, he's got more to do.
Oh, yeah, oh, wait a minute. Oh. Showing some respect. Very classy. Very classy of him. Give all these gentlemen a round of applause for putting on one hell of a match. Wow. I tip my hat, or your hat to you. Wow. Man. I don't know if I'll be able to get over that one.
Well, now you have to.
Well, we have to because, ladies and gentlemen, the next match features one of your favorite competitors. He hails from the hills of Golgotha, standing at 6'6".